Hey everyone, welcome back to All Things Electronx. I know it's been a while since the last upload. I've been working behind the scenes testing out some of the coolest new tech for you. But I'm back, and today we're diving into the 50 best smart kitchen gadgets and electronics of 2025. From AI-powered ovens to voice-controlled coffee makers, these tools are turning everyday kitchens into high-tech hubs. If you're into smart living and next-gen devices, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's plug in and level up your kitchen game. 1. Smart Air Fryer, e.g., COSORI Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. The Smart Air Fryer is a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying, using rapid hot air circulation to cook food with little to no oil. The COSORI Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer, for example, connects to your phone through an app, allowing you to control temperature, time, and even access hundreds of recipes remotely. It's perfect for busy people who want crispy fries, chicken, or veggies without babysitting the appliance. Users love the convenience and consistent results, but some complain that the Wi-Fi connection can be unreliable or difficult to set up initially. Still, for anyone trying to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor, this gadget is a solid first step into a smart kitchen. And if you're impressed by the idea of cooking with your phone, you'll love what comes next.
2. Wi-Fi-enabled Instant Pot, e.g., Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart. Building on the convenience of smart cooking, the Wi-Fi-enabled Instant Pot is a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and yogurt maker all in one, now controllable from your phone. The Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart even allows you to schedule meals, monitor cooking progress, and receive alerts when it's done. It's a game changer for families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants dinner ready when they walk in the door. The learning curve can be a bit steep, especially with so many modes, and a few users say the app interface isn't very intuitive. However, the time and energy savings are undeniable. Now, if you think a smart pot is impressive, wait until you hear about ovens that recognize your food. 3. Smart Oven, e.g., Tovala Smart Oven or June Oven. Smart ovens like the Tovala or June are intelligent countertop ovens that use sensors and cameras to recognize food and cook it automatically using presets. With companion apps, these ovens can scan grocery store barcodes, download cooking instructions, and notify you when your food is ready. It's like having a personal chef guiding each step, ideal for those who hate cooking guesswork. However, they're relatively expensive, and some reviewers mention limited internal space compared to traditional ovens. Even so, the idea of a self-thinking oven is exciting, and it seamlessly leads us into another common appliance made even smarter. 4. Smart Microwave, e.g., Amazon Basics Microwave with Alexa. The Amazon Basics Microwave pairs with Alexa to let you start cooking with voice commands like, "Alexa, microwave my popcorn." It takes the guesswork out of cooking times and power levels for everyday foods. Although it's a compact microwave, it's ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms, and the voice control is especially helpful for multitasking. Critics, however, say it's not much more powerful than a standard microwave and still requires Alexa to be set up separately. Still, for people who love hands-free convenience, it's a neat addition. And speaking of hands-free, the next gadget might just make your whole cooking process nearly effortless. 5. Thermomix TM6. The Thermomix TM6 is one of the most advanced smart kitchen tools available today. It combines over 20 kitchen appliances into one. It can chop, blend, knead, cook, steam, saute, and even weigh ingredients all from a single touchscreen interface. Its guided cooking feature walks you through recipes step by step while automatically adjusting time, speed, and temperature. It's the dream device for those who want gourmet meals without being gourmet chefs. That said, the Thermomix TM6 comes with a steep price tag, and some users find the digital ecosystem too locked in to proprietary recipes. But if you're looking for an all-in-one smart machine, it's hard to beat. Now, let's pivot from multifunctional appliances to precision cooking tools that make restaurant-quality meals at home. And that wraps up part 1 of our deep dive into the 50 best smart kitchen gadgets of 2025. From air fryers you can control with your phone to ovens that recognize your food and cook it to perfection, it's clear that the future of cooking is already here. If any of these gadgets caught your eye, just wait until you see what's coming in part 2. We're talking AI-powered stirrers, smart faucets, robotic cleaning assistants, and much more. In the next episode, we'll not only explore the next set of groundbreaking tools, but also include real visuals and videos showing how these gadgets actually work in everyday kitchens, as we have done with this one. So be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you love smart living and kitchen innovation. This is just the beginning, stay tuned, and let's keep upgrading your kitchen together, right here on All Things Electronx.